all wherever you are joining me at this hour. Welcome to 373 edition of Investdata Trading Academy live with Ambrose. Yes, I will say that the global market for the midweek has opened also on a mixed trend. We're seeing that the US market is flattish and that of European market edge up a little this morning, while that of Asia is also remain mixed. African market is not left behind. African market is mixed. Why NGS here is still going what up and down as we speak. It opened slightly in the green this morning. As we speak now, I pull back also to red to watch as we look at the market live from this angle. Yes, I would say that the market is reacting to the minutes of what of the Fed that was held this early November, the last meeting of Fed. As they are reacting not because in the statement from that minute, there's a sign that yet said there's no cutting yet there's pause, but this pause, like I said earlier, will be guided by what economic data. And also in Europe, then also ECB also said that it's too early to say this is time to cut. Yes, they are seeing that inflation is cooling down seriously from all this mature economy, but they are also saying that they are still watching. There's no sign for what cut yet. That's why there's pause as to speak. These are the things that the market is analyzing ahead of Thanksgiving holiday that will come, will be in US. As for that means today we are going to see that those mature market there's a lot of what mixed activity which has also opened this morning. You can see it already in the market there that the market are going up and down. But if you look at what is happening in the commodity market, we are seeing that the balloon or the piling up of US crude has also weighed on oil prices, despite the production cut by Saudi Arabia, Russia, and all. But crude oil price has also slowed down after abandoning the previous days. Now it's also flat and also pulling in the north, in the south. This was a result of what because of what balloon was crude inventory in US as we speak. This is the state of the matured market. Because of our time, because we have reduced our time to 20 minutes, we want to go and see what is happening in our own market here right away. You can see that our market, if you look at the chart this hour, our market for me is still what? Side trending. If you look at the chart that's been displayed now, but before we go to the chart, we want to see what is happening in our market as we speak. Are investors coming back to the market, or these international investors are the one playing our market right away? We need to know. Because we have seen that in recent days, our market was seeing high positive sentiment in the market, recording 35% gainers, 10%, 15%. Yesterday, we saw about almost 43 gainers, 8 losers, but market gain just 0.08 for them. Then ask yourself a question: what is the volume? What is the magnitude of gain we are seeing? What is the numbers of companies that are what we call the numbers of gainers? Are they increasing or call it a decline or what? Or ascenders decline or advanced line? We want to see, is it positive? Yes, it's positive. Is it going to continue? What is the sign? It's telling us that the smart money are in the market right away or they are not there. These are the things investors want to know so that they will know exactly what they should do with their position in the market. And you and I also want to know that so that you know exactly how you should also take your investment decision. These are the important things we need to discuss today because of our time. We need to have to manage our time effectively these days because of what we have reduced our live class from 30 minutes to 20 minutes. But that's not the problem. We want to look at how can we maximize this 20 minutes. So, as I've said, we'll look at what is happening in the matured market. We'll look at what is happening in our own market. I said earlier that the market opened in the green early hour of this today's trading. But as we speak now, I think the market is also pulling back into red after having giving us what we call a ranging and consolidating range that is being shown on the chart right away. We need to know what is happening in our market as we speak. Is the stocks gaining more than expected? Are we seeing fresh liquidity entering the market as we speak? We want to know all this so that you will know exactly what to do. Here, this is end of the year. We know that seasonality is already on, and the more we are going, the more we are going closer to what we call dividend season. I mean, that is the peak of any season in Nigeria, which is the first quarter any season 2024. But now, is it time for you to position ahead of this first quarter 2023? And also, we're having what we call Traders and Investors Summit Invest 2024. What kind of thing are you going to discuss there? If you look at the outline of that discussion or that program, you can see that all investment window outlets have been made available. You and I should know what to do to diversify our portfolio. Yes, it's good to hedge against inflation. It's also at the same time to diversify. When you diversify, it is well as an investor you can play safe in the market. And play safe, you have your plan that you are trading. These are the things you should know. But in that investment 24, you see about 7 to 8 speakers will be discussing different topics, different market, and what you should look at. So that you can take informed decision as regard what how to protect your phone. Because yes, there are some opportunities that you are seeing as medium and long term. There are some long term position. There are also short term position. How can you take advantage of all this? And also within that this advantage you are taking is within your investment goal, and at the same time you are not entering where you'll be what you'll be put into loss. You must also know how to hedge. That is why I tell you that those that are moving from other investment windows, from bond, from JGB, coming the way of equity, yeah, they want to hedge against, but you that are already in equity already, what to do. You have to diversify and also position in those stocks that have what we call defensive characteristic or quality in those stocks that will help you to protect your capital. This is how to invest in this kind of market, because market will not remain in up direction. That means in any correction comes any moment from now. Because like I said, before I went to this short break, that markets are already, looking at the chart, we're seeing that market has entered what we call a overbought region. Yes, but I didn't say that market will close to start declining tomorrow. But because we are seeing the sign, we are seeing where the market is now, there is a bound to happen. Because it's bound to happen, you must make plan or factor it into your investment decision so that when it pull back, you will not be caught in the web, because you have taken no decision ahead of this time. That's why it's good to always look at what is market doing and where the market is going. This will help you to make what informed decision. And that's why I say any investor or trader as a trading market without knowing what to do, that means he's still guessing. And with the knowledge we are sharing in this class and other of our forums where we meet, you see, both on TV and all, it's just to guide you plus what you know and what you can do so that you can make information and why is this going on, so that this market will not put you there. Because if you have survived from most 4 years, you have made money in 4 years, not now we are seeing that yes, markets at this period, you want to panic at. No, but you must position yourself that if the market goes the other way, you have what you have gained all this while is protected. At the same time, when the market rebound, you are in order to create more wealth for yourself. That is why you must hedge against inflation, also diversify your portfolio, and also take what in those stocks that have the strength, the capacity, the earnings power to pay you good dividend and support their price. Because as you're entering any season, I'll tell you this is what will drive the market again. Why our market remains very strong, making higher highs as you can see, is because the smart money in the market are not selling their position. Even when we don't have foreign investors in the market, our market remains strong like this. Says that institutional investors, they are seeing value already in equity, and even I expect that they're going to increase more, especially at the outcome of today, treasury, foreign market option, to see what rate look like. Even when the rate moved to 17, because we are seeing inflation for the month of October moving toward 27.33. That means for November it's likely to hit toward either 27.80 or 28. This is not good for those fixed income instrument. And for that, equity market are returned almost getting to 40% for the year alone. That also gives you a sign. For me, but for those seeing that the market is stable, those that have volume in the market, which is the PFA, institutional investors, they are not selling because they see that their position they are still have what value to deliver for them. That's why they are not selling. And you and I, that are following the smart money, that's why I say you must be where the billionaires are. Not only that, follow the smart money to see where they are flowing to, because the market is trading above the T line and also above 50 days moving average. If I want to emphasize on it, it tells you that these people are strong in the market, and you must look at the stock they look, because all these penny stocks that are dominating the top gainers is not PFA's position. That's why if market want to really make move, that's why we are seeing all these numbers of stocks increasing, gaining. They are not making part because the high cap stocks or the highly priced stocks and those blue chip companies are not moving much as better. But the penny stocks, the low cap stocks are the one we are seeing, and for going to take advantage of, because it will not remain like this, because these are the volatile market we are seeing, and these are stocks are also volatile on their own. You must invest with knowledge and not guessing as you speak right away. Yes, back to see that the state of the market. As we speak now, our market is trading 71,035.60. Market is down in red by negative 3104, which is about what 0.02. So this is the position of the market as we speak now. But for me, this is not to threaten you. This market is expected because we are seeing market sign trading and also at the what we call distribution phase and accumulation phase. But at this point, is for you to assess your portfolio. That's why I say portfolio rebalancing will continue toward till the end of the year and what early first quarter. Why? Looking the way your company that you see that want to work produce a better number, and also in the first month of the year, January, we've seen unaudited account of those that want to reach the end of before 30th of March, 30th of 31st of March. But this will guide you where will you put your money. Now that we already seen, well, you have seen the Q3 numbers, and this is what we're going to do more in the investment for, especially in my own part, looking at the earnings and what forecasting what is likely to come, when we're going to pay dividend, and what is likely to pay the dividend, because we have the history of this company, what percent of their earnings do they pay. For those banking stocks that are seeing that their earnings is becoming balloon, or are balloon to this level, will they pay? So they will pay up because of what CBN have said. But from their what we call the real operation, which is what their net interest income we have seen, and other activities, not the FS gain, what is bank likely to pay to support their price basis? Because most of the banks, their prices are also at each up to a level that they can't go back to their what their pay strategy or their payment policy, and which they demonstrated in their interim dividend. Is that going to be the first what we're going to see actually in the banking stock and other service companies that we have seen their numbers are very impressive. Look at what is happening in insurance company. Look at their numbers. Also look at how they're also performing on the floor. Even with people don't look up stock in the insurance company, how are they doing? You need to look at all this to guide you to know where to put your tanks now ahead of end of the year. Like I was saying, the market is down by 0.02 right away. But if you look at the market breadth, like I said, is still very, very strong. We're having 28 gainers against 11 losers. But if you look at these 28 gainers, as I said earlier, these are low cap stocks that are dominated these 28 gainers, and also the 11 losers are mixed of what blue chip company and also low cap again. But it tells that the market, yes, is still waiting for a trigger, and that trigger will be what is happening today. At the end of the day, we'll see, and also what is likely to do happen in the month of December, knowing that December comes rally and end of the year, window dressing, which is the last for the year, that period of 30, 29, 30, 31st is the period that most people also cash out, because most companies they want to close higher the year because of what they open lower. And now that we have seen most of them have even created more value for investors, they want to close higher. So for that, you as a trader or investor must take this into consideration when we are taking your investment decision. It's very, very necessary that we share that again. Like I said, that we have 28 gainers and 11 losers. Look at the loser chart. Now let's start from there. We're seeing that UPDC risk is leading that 8% down, followed by C analysis. I'm not surprised because of profit taking after the bonus have been announced. We're seeing MC Nichols also down by 7%. APC Transport and Regency Insurance. These are the losers, top 5 losers. But if you look at the top 5 winners, like I mentioned, that these are local stock, and see that communication leading with almost 10%, followed by ROTP School 10%. That's Unity Bank 10%. On this stock are rallying for straight 4 days now on the strength of the merger move by Provident Bank. But I will tell you that you have to trade with caution. If you have made money, also be very careful. Yes, even when Apple might like to take the 274 billion shareholders fund, nobody knows how it's going to go. And also the Provident Bank has the capacity to manage the kind of structure that holds Unity Bank, where about more than 15 companies come to banks, come to form Unity Bank. They have done the share construction from 50 kobo to 5 kobo. It came down to that level again, 50 kobo, before start coming up again with all this news and also rally that I've seen in the market recently. You must also know what to do with that kind of position as a trader or investor. If you have made money, trade with caution, this kind of stuff, and be smart. Yes, the next one is Multiverse. Multiverse also up by 9.8%, followed by Omatech. Omatech is a stock that moved from as low as 20 kobo to 1 naira 14 kobo. This is what penny stock can do. Yes, as I said, you trade with caution. When you see opportunity, catch into it, but you have to work. Don't be greedy when you are trading your penny stock, because when they go against you and nobody will pick it from you, you have to be very smart playing penny stock. You look at terms of activities, we are seeing that Petra Capital has dominated the activity start now, almost 50.16 million share traders so far, followed by Unity Bank, 26.56 million share traders so far. Then GT Code has 27 naira 80 kobo. GT Code is moved. You can see these are dividend stocks. 12.61 million share traders so far. Jahis Bank at 1 naira 61 kobo, 12.2 million share traded, and Universal Insurance at 24 naira 9 million share traders. So this is the activities chart for today. These are the top, in terms of volume. You can see right away. Yes, but from here you can see that the market also looking at the chart. If you can see because of our time, if you're looking at the chart, you can see that the market from this point, I want to quickly show you what I mean. The market is also consolidating and also side trending. You can see after this long candlestick here, you can see that this is the last support level that we can see here. We take it like this at this point. That's why I'm taking this line so you can understand it easily. You know? Yes. The blue line there will guide us exactly what to do here. So you can see. Then you see that this is the peak here. The peak here is 71,166, which is here. I'll take the line again. You can see in between here is what we call what the call horizontal. You can see it rectangle. So in between here is the movement from top from low here. It touched up here. You can see that this one tested it, came down, but didn't go back again. It continue until it break out of this what we call the resistance line that is up here. That is one on trend. And this is called what resistance and support. And this is what you need to know in the market, or when you're doing a trade, know where the market is going. If the market is making higher highs, because you must look at what the next resistance and the next support level. Yes, you must also tailor it down here to say you want to catch from this point or there to within this area. But until market comes down and break out this last, you can see this red and green here. They cannot say about it's still within what within the range as we speak. That's the market is trending also at the same time. This is the state of the market now, and market is moving at with what with relatively what we call a above traded average in terms of volume. Volume is we're not seeing a high volume, but when you see the smart money coming back to the market, you see the volume. But as we speak now, they are still waiting. They were all looking at to see the outcome of MPC meeting before it was postponed. Now they are all eyes on this war or this to this treasury bid option to see what, and also next what the open market option to also to see, because further is for foreign investment window to see what the rate will be. But I tell you, if government or FS Bank is interested in attracting foreign investors at this point, I think they are missing it up. They should know what the economy needs right now, because we are seeing other economy where they are getting funds to make sure that they're even cutting tax to make sure that they kind of trigger their economy to growth. They want to push the economy to growth. That's why they are cutting task for even their citizens and for corporate bodies in their domain. These are the things we need at this time, because we have seen that our own inflation that has continued to to rally, continue to to move south northward, and it's not a lot of what but too much money in circulation. It's a structural problem. We know that is what the supply side we are having issue. These are the things that we need to be addressed, the physical and the monetary, and also look at security to make sure that this thing is addressed. But if you look at this chart now, you can see what I just said, that is just trending. But quickly look at the different time frame, because you use your monthly time frame to look for direction. Why to pick the price to enter? Most time come to what go to your daily chart at the same time 1 hour chart to see the range price to enter, the price to enter. But look at your 4 hours, look at your 1 hour, and also your day chart. It gives you insight also where the market is going. That's why you must have what guide you when you are trading your chart, because chart is key. It tell you where the momentum is going and where the sentiment is also going at the same time. You don't need to work to play with it. Let's quickly look at this. Look at the 1 hour chart. Sorry, the 1 hour chart to see what is happening there. I see that 1 hour chart is still within the range, but I see. Let me quickly call our T line here, even one at a time, so that we can guide us easily to. I will call it that T line right now for this today. Let's look at where the market is now. That will tell us, because we need to know exactly what the market is doing in terms of momentum. Is it the right time for you to say you start packing your load, or it's time to just say let me still hold on and see what the market is doing on the daily chart, weekly chart, and monthly chart? You can see that. Look at this blue line here now. You can see the way it is now. It's flat already. Market is above it on 1 hour chart. For me, it's a good news. It's a good news. Let's quickly look at 4 hours chart before we see here is where we are. On the 4 hour chart, you can see that it's still above the T line. Again, for me, the market is still very, very strong. And I know for me, this is what we need to know. But finally, I want to look at what a monthly chart. And I tell you, it will give us a direction where the market is going. It's very, very important. You can see the monthly chart. It will give us the direction. That's how sharp the market is. look at above the T line, look at where the market is. The market will test this T line into bounce back. At this point, it tested it, it went up, it came down, tested it. It only once I broke it down, but before you know it, it up. When you see market like this, let's say there's momentum in the market, look at where the market is on. There's a strong positive direction for the market for me. But because of our time, tomorrow we'll look more on what on more into stocks and that also and other things. On this note, I will say thank you. I look forward to see you in the comment world in the comment Invest 2024. Tomorrow we'll start with stocks and others so that we can discuss more of the stock tomorrow because our time is short now. On this note, I say thank you and also see you tomorrow on Monday, sorry, on Friday. Enjoy the rest of your trading day. Bye.